Hello. My Cossel 3D printer at the moment still has just a plain brass nozzle in it, which hasn't given any problems so far, but I've been using it for a few months now, just with either basic PETG or PLA. I want to be able to use harder materials such as carbon reinforced or carbon fibre reinforced PETG, as I do on the Frankentron tool changer. On that one, I got just a hardened steel nozzle for one of the tools, which has been okay so far, but I know it will wear. And I saw one of these mentioned somewhere, so I thought I'd give it a try on the Cossel. It's supposedly the only nozzle you'll ever need. Sounds a bit like Men in Black, the only suit you'll ever need. Anyway, it is a Ruby nozzle, or Ruby core nozzle. So I've not had it out of the box yet, but I'll have a look at. Now it has a gemstone tip. It's got a nice point on it, 0.4mm. I'm just at the moment running a print. There's only a little adapter push, nothing fancy, in the Cossel. So once that's finished, I'll change the nozzle, try it again, exactly the same print, and see how it goes. Get that way out, you can read the text. It's not cheap, but if you never have to change the nozzle, it never wears, you know you're never going to use precision for a very long time, then it's hopefully worth it. So it looks nice. Looks very well made. And just hope it works out as well as its reputation says it should. So I'll see how it goes, and give you the results in the continuation of the video. Okay, right, test print with the new nozzle fitted, and it is exactly as good, apparently, as the E3D brass one. I cannot tell any difference in quality whatsoever, which is a pleasant surprise. Quite a few of the other nozzles we've tried in the past, the non-E3D ones at least, have given pretty abysmal results, or very variable at least. Some have been okay, but more often than not, I think they're not as good as a proper branded nozzle. But this is I'd say perfect. There is no difference in resolution or quality, which is a good sign. So hopefully it should keep that quality now for a very, very long time if it lives up to its claims. I mean, that's the one that was it. So that was that's an originally E3D 0.4, which is a bit messy. A bit of stray material around it. It cost me another sock as well, because that one split when I removed it. But it's probably degraded a bit because it has been in use for a while. It's got a bit brittle. But yeah, I would say that Ruby nozzle is definitely good. So the only other test is the long life one, see how it lasts. But that's going to take, hopefully, years. So anyway, yeah. So definitely it's worth serious consideration if you do materials that could cause nozzle wear. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you literally like the video and possibly subscribe.